I will. Sorry. I like this song. Well, so I basically just showed you. I opened a mystery packet and found Trixie. Oh my god, Trixie! Except, you know how this is Twilight? Twilight right here. But this, it looks like Rarity in the picture. Yeah. And on the back, they have Twilight Velvet. You can see here. There's a, I'm sorry. Rose Luck. Uncle Orange, I think. I don't know that person. She's the female Doctor Who. Sorry, it's hard. But anyway, I got Trixie. So there's another miniature to add. And this for cute polish, I bought all the colors I needed. For cute polish, I brought all the colors I needed. For the rainbow, blue. I don't know. I got yellow, and the pink, the white.
You in the shower?
And clear. So, here's my rainbow bed. So, soft out. It's Trixie! Trixie's heart in the kitchen car. Trixie is floating. But, yeah, Trixie. And